everyone, and welcome back to Anna's Crafty and More. And this is the second episode of my new series, What's Anna Cooking Now? So today I'm going to be making my easy bacon, mushroom, penne pasta. It's sort of similar to the pasta bascaiola, which is basically bacon, mushroom, pasta and cream, but I don't have any cream. So I'm going to be using a little bit of olive oil. That's my olive oil bottle there. And I'm going to throw in a little bit of capsicum, only just because I love capsicum. And I've got some red onion chopped up. And in here I've got a little bit of garlic powder, some black pepper, and some Italian herbs, mixed herbs. And I've got my pink Himalayan salt there, ready to salt the boiling water to cook the pasta. And when I throw in the pasta, that's when I'll be cooking all the rest of the items here, because it doesn't take long. This is another quick and easy meal. And I'll come back when we come to the next section, when we're ready to start cooking up all these lovely ingredients here. And also I'll put in, if you check down below in the description box, I'll put the recipe ingredients. And I won't be writing up the method because that just takes too long. No, but not just for that. But the video is the method, so you can have a look there. Okay. Okay, so I've just added my pasta into the boiling water, and I added a tablespoon of salt in there as well. Make sure you always season your water when you're cooking pasta. Just gives it a nicer flavour. And also I've got my zebra cup out because I am going to reserve a cup of the liquid. I'm going to use that as part of the sauce. That's why there's a quarter of a cup of olive oil in, and that combined with the water from the cooking juices of the pasta, that allows it to thicken up slightly, and it causes like a little bit of a sauce. Okay, so we'll come back when we're putting in the next ingredients, which will be our onion and our bacon. Okay, so I've just added the onion, and then I'll be adding the bacon on top of that. So just let it brown for a little bit. I added the onion probably after about 3 minutes or so of sauteing the mushrooms. Now it's on a medium to high heat, because you do want the mushrooms to saute. You don't want them to, where they start to sweat too much and they basically like boiling in their own juices. So you still want it to keep it nice and dry in that respect, even though there's the oil in there. So we'll just give that a little stir. I don't have a tripod, so I'm just filming with the camera in my hand, and hopefully this is okay. Might turn the fan off. Too much overhead noise. There we go. That's better. So now I'll just put the bacon in, and then I'll give that all a stir. Pasta's boiling away nicely. And I'll let that start to get a little bit more colour, and then I'll check how the pasta is going, and then we'll come back and we'll add the... So as I was saying, we'll come back in a few minutes, just let that brown for a little bit, and then we're going to add the capsicum, which is over here. Add the capsicum in there, and we'll add our pepper, garlic and herbs, and we'll see how that's going. Now, you don't need to take the water from the pasta just yet. Just before you drain it, then take out, I'd say probably half to a cup, but I'm going to take out a whole cup of cooking water. So see how that goes. Be back in a sec. Okay, so I've just added the capsicum and let that cook just for another minute or so. I've just drained my pasta, and the pasta is just al dente, so it's still just very slightly firm. Took my cup of the broth from the pasta water, And I've got here, I'm just about to put in my aromatics, which is the garlic, the pepper, and the... Just put all that in. Garlic, the pepper, and the Italian herbs. Give that a little mix. I've changed it over to the higher heat as well. Just cook that for another minute or so. The pasta did take a bit less time than I expected, but that's okay. It's all good. It's not far off now. You can see that it's got a lovely colour on it. Onions have gone soft. The mushrooms have got a little bit of brown, and so has the bacon as well. I'll come back with the next step. Okay, so I've added all our bacon, mushroom and capsicum onion mix. I've added that back onto the pasta and just put it back on the heat, but I'm going to turn the heat off now. Turn the heat off. And I'm going to add a little bit of the pasta water, probably half a cup. And just with the residual heat, just give that a good mix. And you can see it's not completely dry, but it's not too wet either. And you can serve this with your Parmesan cheese, if you like Parmesan cheese on top, or you don't have to have cheese if you don't want. But it gives it a really nice flavour. Best thing about this is you can eat it hot or cold. Hot for dinner and have leftovers for lunch. Put a salad on the side maybe. Okay, I'll be back when I plate up. And here we have the finished product. Buon appetito! Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my content. Tell me what you think about my new series. What's Anna cooking now? Thank you. Bye-bye. The rest of the